Safarum. I read in class 3. Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah is founder of Pakistan. He was born 25 December 1876. He worked very hard for Pakistan. Quaid-e-Azam Zindabad. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. I am Harsha from class 8, the educator at Dabinsi campus. Today is Pakistan founder of Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Pakistan not only means freedom and independence but the ideology which has to be preserved, which has come to us as a precious gift and treasure. पाकिस्तान की जान मुल्क की जान Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, मुल्क का बासपा Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. I am Haya Fatma from class 4. Today we are celebrating Quaid-e-Azam Day. Quaid-e-Azam said, "Be disciplined in your life." Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. मेरा नाम रोहन आजम है, 2 क्लास की तालिबा हूँ। पहुँचा गया जो मंजिल मुकद्दस तक, वो मेरा कारवां था मोहम्मद अली जिन्ना।
I am Halafa Zindabad. Pakistan Zindabad.
My name is Ishal Hassan. Nursery class. Ishal nursery class. Dawaji campus educator. Dawaji campus. Out of Pakistan. Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Today is Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah.
Assalamualaikum. I am Abiha Fatma from the Educator School. Today is Quaid-e-Azam birthday day. Quaid-e-Azam is a founder of Pakistan. Quaid-e-Azam is a national hero of Pakistan. Quaid-e-Azam Zindabad. Thank you.
Good morning. I am Neha Fatma from class 3. Today is Quaid-e-Azam birthday. Quaid-e-Azam said, work, work, work and work. Thank you. I am Zaina Fatma. Today is Quaid-e-Azam birthday. Quaid-e-Azam Zindabad. Pakistan Zindabad. My name is Idma. I study in class 2, the Educated Habiti campus. Presentation on 25 December. The great leader, Mizar-e Khan. Quaid-e-Azam, he is our national hero. Quaid-e-Azam is the founder of Pakistan. He was born 25 December 1876 in Karachi. Quaid-e-Azam says always says calm or bas calm. Thank you.
Good morning. I am Abdul Hadi, student of class 5. I study in the Educator Dabinsi campus. Today I am glad that I will talk about my great leader Quaid-e-Azam. He was one of the great leaders. He talked about discipline, honesty, motivations, confidence, etc. Okay, I will show you some thoughts about Quaid-e-Azam. Think 100 times before you take a decision. My message to all is hope, courage and confidence. मिल्लत का पासवा है मोहम्मद अली जिन्ना. There is one more thought about Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. There is no power on the earth that can undo Pakistan.
My name is Samia from State Pakistan Zindabad.
I am Zishan from class 5. Today my topic is Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah is the founder of Pakistan. He was a great political leader of Pakistan. He is our national hero. Quaid-e-Azam do more struggles for Pakistan. Thank you. Pakistan Zindabad.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Safarum. I read in class 3. Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah is founder of Pakistan. He was born 25 December 1876. He worked very hard for Pakistan. Quaid-e-Azam Zindabad. Thank you. Assalamualaikum. I am Hari Mohammed. I study in class KG. Today is Quaid-e-Azam Day. Pakistan Zindabad.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Sayyid Fahad Raza Zaidi from class 4. Quaid-e-Azam was born on 25 December. Quaid-e-Azam was leader of Pakistan and he was national hero of Pakistan. Quaid-e-Azam Zindabad. Pakistan Zindabad.
Hello, my name is Mahir from class KG. Pakistan Zindabad. My name is Sunan. Happy birthday, Quaid-e-Azam. Pakistan Zindabad.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Rehan. I read in class 5. My school name is The Educator, Dabeji Campus. Today my topic is Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Quaid-e-Azam to say worth and do worth. Quaid-e-Azam Zindabad.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Zainab. I study in class 2. My school name is The Educator, Dabeji Campus. Today birthday is Quaid-e-Azam. Quaid-e-Azam is founder of Pakistan. He is the hero. His father name is Jinnah Punja. Pakistan Zindabad. Thank you. अस्सलामुअलैकुम, मेरा नाम परीसा राहिल है। आज मैं Quaid-e-Azam का एक कौल पेश करना चाहती हूँ। इल्म तलवार से भी ज़्यादा ताकतवर होती है।
My name is Maryam Fatma from class 5. My topic is Quaid-e-Azam. Quaid-e-Azam is founder of Pakistan. He do many struggles for Pakistan. Quaid-e-Azam Zindabad.
I am Zishan from class 5. Today my topic is Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah is the founder of Pakistan. He was a great political leader of Pakistan. He is our national heroes. Quaid-e-Azam do more struggles for Pakistan. Thank you. Pakistan Zindabad.
Assalamualaikum. I am Sayyid Ahad Raza Zaidi from class 1. Quaid-e-Azam said, "There is no power on earth that can defeat Pakistan." Pakistan Zindabad.